open it. Okay. So it says, I crawl like a real cockroach! Wow! It says, super fast! That means he flies off his way like, psh, I guess. Maybe not that fast. I'm not sure. Okay. So they have a crawling spider, a slithering snake, a lizard, an acting T-Rex, and a dragon, and it says, I look and move like a real cockroach. Wow. Then, in the next box, it says, prank and scare your friends. Okay, let's open it. Take off all the tape here. Oof. That was a big open. Okay, we can. Okay, let's put that away for now, right there. But actually, we need to open this side first. Oof. That was another big. Now let's open it. Oop. Okay, so we need to that tape off. Another one here. So we'll take it off. Oop. Another one there. Okay, so oof. I see something in here. Oh. It is just the manual. It says T-Rex, dragon, spider, lizard, snake, turtle. They also have a fish. They haven't listed the fish on over here. I don't know why. Okay, let's take the thing item out. Oof! It has brushes. Mama, this is good for cleaning.
Why?
Because they have brushes underneath. See?
Oh.
There's a little motor inside, and that makes it maneuver super fast. Wow! This thing is super fast. Wow! Wow! When you turn around, it just automatically starts maneuvering its legs, and doesn't make any. We can't see any vibration with the brushes, but it's just good. Look! Wow! Whoa! This thing is amazing. Whoa! 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 And a good thing is that the other type, it has lights, but this one doesn't have lights. So that's pretty realistic. What? This is pretty fun. Not scary to me. Whoa! 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 It was my fault. Whoa! Oh man, I can't believe it's so fast. I can't believe its speed. Wow, I can't believe its speed. Oof, its speed is enormous, but I can still catch it. Okay, so this seems pretty realistic, but the brushes are not realistic. See, we can't see them. But these have spikes and the horns move. Let me show you that, and this is where you turn it on. Watch the horns little move. See, they kind of move. And when you hold on one, the other ones on this side, they still work. And the batteries are already installed. So that's the cool thing. And because of the vibration from the battery inside, which goes to the motor inside, the motor is connected to these brushes, and they start to vibrate, and they touch the table, so it moves. Let's bring the camera to the floor. Let's try one more time. Woo! I'm gonna try to get it to you. To the camera. Okay, it's moving. Slowly. Oh! Oh, it's going back. Woo! You can prank your friends with this. You can also trick your friends with it. And we bought this from Walmart. I think it's pretty cheap, I guess. Yeah, it is. Pretty cheap. So let's turn it on. Over here, whoa! It sounds like a race car getting ready to go on a race when you put this thing on this surface, on this type of surface. Wow. Where are you going? Okay. Getting hard. When you put it on his wings, upside down on his arm, it still moves, but it moves pretty much slow. And we can see the brushes. That's not really much realistic. So it's realistic now. Whoa! Come on. He won. He won. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, like, share. Bye! Cockroach, bye! Some people don't like cockroaches. And some people do like cockroaches. Some people might like this cockroach because it kind of looks fake. It doesn't have eyes. That's weird. The eyes are cut into these spines here. That's weird. But bye, even though